Hi friends, welcome to Tutors for the channel. Today I am going to teach how ChatGPT helpful for programmer. So all the AI programming tool how helpful for programmer. So while you start with any things, you can get the help from someone else. So you will be able to get the help from someone else. There will be the AI. Okay, this is the I'm going to go to my ChatGPT. That's very helpful tool for programmers. Okay, so we have to log in. Click on the login button. You have to click on. Now I have successfully logged into the ChatGPT via my Gmail. Okay, I select my Gmail account and I'm going to log in via my Gmail account. Now here, this is the text tool where you will be able to type the things and get the help from the ChatGPT. So I'm going to get the help of. I want to find it there. I already opened my Java Intel J idea, so I want to do that. So first you have to put the prompt as act as a Java developer. Okay. You have to give the prompts correctly. Okay, then only according to the font prompt it will be act as a Java developer. Okay, so first you have to give the prompt correctly, act as a Java developer. After that, full stop. Now I'm going to ask in the doubt as I need to calculate the I need you to calculate the student marks calculation. I need you to calculate the student marks calculation. Okay, so here click on this. Now you can see here the example. Here everything the code will be written along with the comment. Here the get the student details, here student name, subjects and everything. After that here I've written the for loop. For it will be running the for loop. Okay, it will be running the for loop and getting the output here. Okay, here it will be right. Okay, here let's copy this code, all the codes what I written. So here I will be explained, don't worry. So here I'm going to open up new project in my Intel J idea. So here I'm going to student marks calculation. Now here this one I'm going to put it over here. Based on it, so you can see there is a this one should be our scanner class. You click on this the scanner, it asks to import this package Java util all press enter. They are telling all press enter. Press enter on your keyboard. You have to select the appropriate class. My class is imported successfully. Click on run it. What is there? Okay, the error is here. No problem. Okay, now the error code. I mistakenly put one bracket extra, that's why error will be displayed. So now it's working successfully. Enter your student name, John, which is student name. Press enter key. It asks the subjects. Enter the number of subjects. 3 subjects. I'm asking 3 subjects. First subject here. You will be able to enter the subjects. I need 3 subjects. It will be generate the marks for number subject 1. Subject 1 I need first subject I need the marks 60. Subject 2 45. Subject 3 34. 3 subject marks it will be calculated. What is the code explained? You will be able to see. First line, this is scanner class. Scanner class is it will do by the way display the first name. Enter your student name. It will be scanned. It will store over here. After that, enter the number of subject. Okay, if it is 3. Okay, if it is 3. Okay, so marks will be it is 3. It will be this for loop. How many subject you are giving here, it will be calculate the subjects according to the subjects. It asking 3 times. Okay, so it will be asking the 3 times. Okay, so subjects it will be asking the 3 times. Okay, after that, what is subject? What is the subject amount you are giving here? Here again, I am going to run the project. You can see. You can enter the student name here by a number of subjects here. Number of subjects. How many subjects you are giving here? 5 subjects. It will be the subject will be calculated as a subject 5 times. It goes 5 times. It take the 5 here. It take 5 times. Okay, it will be calculated as a 5 times. I0 position. It will calculate as 5 times. The I will be generated for subjects. Okay, after that, marks also we have create one array. Marks also the subject will be stored. Okay, the marks. How many marks you are entered here? Subject 1, how many marks you are get? All the marks will be calculated over here. Here it's total marks. It is how many marks you are getting here. This I will be getting here and calculating the marks. That's how the programming should go. Okay, I hope you guys did things well. How to calculate the student marks calculation using ChatGPT. Here, very simple. Okay, this only I have given one prompt. Okay, here you will be able to what is where you struck, you will be able to get it. So here I want to do another one, which is here you can see I want to edit this one. Click on this student marks calculation along with the grade along with the rank. What is the prompt you are given here? According to the prompt, it will be calculated here. This one here now the rank calculation. It is calculated as the one. This is the efficient way to do the program. So it make as a constructor. Okay, so here this make as a constructor. So we have created another class. So here the list. We enter the marks. It all things will be here. This is the simple. This is some advanced program. It will be written. Okay. So you have to put this code and you will be able to check the rank. Okay, so here this code also you have to check it. Okay, very simple. So this all things you have to here. This all things they are given the everything here. How the output will be coming and everything here. Bob student is 2. Okay, the rank here. This all this one should be the output will be shown as a one table. It generate the output. Rank 1, rank 2, the total marks. This is you are also the same thing. 1, rank 1, rank 2. These students will be rank 3. Bob. Okay, so here this is a simple program. Okay, so first you have to understand first what this line explain, what second line explain, third line explain. This is the array. Okay, the number of data you will be stored as an array. Collection of data will be stored as an array list. Okay, this is for each and every time it will be asking the marks calculation. After that, this all things calculated, added the marks 1, marks 2, marks 3, one list. Okay, it will be short student based on the total into the descending order. You have write it over here. It's the rank. Here it will be calculate the rank. Also student size, it will be calculate the rank. Okay, very simple. Go through this code and do it. Okay, so I hope you guys understand things well. I will get in touch with my tutorial.